Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing. Why are you so tall?
Let's go see.
We'll be unboxing the HJ806B boat. Yeah. Oh no. That's the address. Alright. Oh. How am I supposed to?
Where are you gonna use it?
Huh? In the pool. I'm gonna go to the lake, maybe. Oh, yeah. So loud.
Oh.
My brother.
How much was it?
It was around like 700 something. And then with the shipping and stuff.
700
Yeah.
thou or 700 goats?
700 thou.
That's such a good
I
deal.
know. That's why I bought it. Anyway, come on. But with the shipping, it was around
Here we
1
go.
to 10. Yeah, 3.
I did it. Look.
Okay.
Wow. That looks sick.
I know, right? Guys, here's the boxed. Bubble wrap. Okay. This is drift, high speed, 35 kilometers an hour. Okay, Jesse? 360 boxing? 360 the box? Yeah. Damn. Auto rotating. Woo. Damn. The red one, but we got the black one, guys.
That's the controller.
Yeah. And it's trim. Okay, let's read it. It has capsize recovery. So if the boat flips over, it can like flip back if you press a button or something. Low voltage pump. So if like you're driving a boat and it has low battery, it'll tell you like a light beeps or something. Charge capacity lithium batteries, 200 meter of radio control.
That's good.
And high wind resistance, all directions. What is that? Over range indication. So if you go too far, it'll tell you. And it has a collision avoidance. So basically, you see the tip of the boat here. It has something to protect it if you like crash into something. And yeah. It has lights if you want to like. You can turn it on and off. Like here and also in the back here. And what else? Do you want to read it, Jesse?
No.
What does that say?
Endurance.
Endurance? That means it lasts long.
Water fluid.
Water, oh, so it gets so, you say it.
We don't know what that means.
Okay. Okay, anyway. What is it? High something? High
Current.
high current?
Protection.
So if the current, if you're doing it in the beach or something, like the current is like moving it, it will just go against the current and stay still. And last one, radio control. Yeah.
It means it's controlled by a remote.
And it's 2.4G remote control. The signal stabilizes multiple players. More than 10 players had this boat. They can compete, like they can race each other. They can do games of it and stuff. And it's 14 plus and 15. Anyway, high speed. This is a controller. Oh no, mine it's not.
Is that the ghost?
This is the controller. So this is a power indicator. This is the steering, fine-tuning thing. And this is the power switch. And the light button. This is the signal indicator, the RC antenna. This is the left and right steering wheel, front and direction, battery boxes here. All right, guys, let's open it. Yeah. All right. Guys, it's fake knife, yeah? Oh, let's open it from here. Oh, here. Okay, so we're opening it now. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, what? We didn't see this. Non-rechargeable batteries are not to be recharged. So, yeah. Use only batteries. Okay. Anyway, it's the black one.
Oh, there's also green.
Yeah, red. Okay. Wait, it's upside down. Okay. Wow. Okay, you pull, I push. No, I pull, you pull. Go, pull.
Oh, you have to open this. Okay.
Wow. Wait, bring the camera here. So, as you can see, yeah, this is good. Fake knife. As you can see, I bought this power. This is a boat. This is the controller. This is the extra battery I purchased in case that one dies. This is the battery one that comes with. Yeah, just in case. This is the stand it comes with. This is the charger and the thing for the trim also. Like a mini thingy and charger, yeah. Okay, guys. Oh my god, we're opening it now. Okay, put it there. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Here, you take the boat out. Oh, should I take the boat out? You take the boat out.
Oh,
Do you want to take the boat out?
How?
What the hell?
Wait, to take the tip off.
Can you take the tip off? Okay, yeah, take it out. Okay, so guys, this is the boat. These are the lights. This is the lights also. Yeah, and this is the cover. Can you take this off or not?
You probably can. Do you want me to?
Actually, I don't
want to do it. Just in case I break it.
What the hell? How's it like this? Oh, it's here. Okay, this is the tip. It's rubber. It's flexible. Okay, this is the boat. Let's put it back on, because if we crash it, I don't want it to get destroyed. Oh, yeah. And wait, I need to put it in there. Yeah, it has like something. It doesn't come off. Anyway, guys, this is the coolest boat I bought. Actually, no, my dad actually bought me another boat that was way cool. I mean, no, this is still cool. But yeah, anyway. So, guys. Wait, show them the propeller. Don't like the, anyway. Okay. That's the propeller. Say what it is, Jesse.
It spins around and makes the boat move. And
Yeah.
this long thing in front of the propeller is the turning and how you turn the boat left and right.
Okay. So guys, this is the controller. Back and forward and back. This is the trim.
Do you think it has batteries inside already?
This is the on and off. This is the power, the light. So if you want to put the lighting on, this is the turning.
The light switch.
Okay.
How do
This doesn't have batteries, so we'll have to put them in. You turn me on the light switch. Okay, this is a manual, guys. We don't need this. Battery. Wow, this is really big. This is another battery. This is the stand. Do you want to assemble the stand?
I don't know how, but
Let's assemble it. Can you help me assemble it?
yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think it goes like this. But then we have to here. And here. Wait, what? Is it like this? Put it on. Can you put it on?
I don't think that's it.
Yeah, is that supposed to be like this? Yeah, it's like this, Jesse. Because there's no other piece. Okay, this way. The charge. Let's see if it has battery. So this is a boat. We can take this off. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Anyway, go like that. Take this off. That, guys, and it has another. Oh, tips. Before entering the waterproof inner cover must be installed and the 4 knobs must be tightened. The can only be powered when it's placed to move this out. Okay. Okay, let's take this off. So guys, this is the engine. The battery will be placed here and the cooling system is here. Yeah, let's try.
I know how to do it.
Oh, shoot.
You want me to like
The
it?
propeller is really big actually.
Yeah, I'll hold it and you can do it.
Okay. Awas. Why did I say awas? Anyway, come on. What the hell was this? So weird.
Flip.
Come on, Jesse.
I used to have
Here.
put it in the stands.
Yeah. Are you sure this goes? Oh yeah. Wait, is it the other way? Oh, it's the other way.
No, isn't it?
Wait, Jesse. Here, I'll hold it.
See? It clicked.
Actually?
Yeah.
Okay, now we put it here. Rely on
Yeah, but
Eon.
this has to be connected as well.
No, it doesn't. This is for charger, bruh.
Oh.
Is it here? It's so weird. What in the world? Oh, it's here. Okay. Put it fully in. Can you? No, it's not. Wait, let me try.
Okay, this guy.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Okay, wait. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, I need the power. Oh, wait, guys. I'm going to get some batteries.
I'll just like. This is what it looks like with the battery in.
Wait, is it A3 or
Connected here. I'll see. A4.
Is it 4 batteries? I only have 3. I'm missing one. Do you want to steal a battery? Jesse, let's steal a battery.
Oh, that's what I always do.
No, it's the wrong size. Oh, AC?
Oculus control.
Oculus control.
Yeah, they have.
Oh yeah, that might work.
Do you want me to go
Wait,
get it?
pause it, pause it.
I don't know how.
It says pause. The
Where?
button.
At the bottom?
Yeah. No, yeah. Okay guys, we got the batteries. Let's try it. Jesse, you might wanna bring the camera. What? Oh, no, we put this first. Remember? Yeah. Put it on. Something like that. Put it on the stand. Put it on the
Oh,
stand.
there.
Oh, there? Okay, now we have to lock it.
Which way?
Like this. It shows.
Which
No,
way?
the other one.
Oh,
yeah.
this.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
Is that the right way?
Yeah, that's the right way.
Okay, it works.
Tips. Wait, what is... Okay.
I'll put it on.
Oh, okay. You put it on? I'll put this.
Wait, no. Let's
Wait,
put
no.
this one.
Okay.
On.
Okay, bring the camera. You bring the camera.